Okay, the sump pump is running, and I'm gonna walk out the back and see what it looks like out there. Okay. If it I thought it would, I don't know. It's the first time. I don't know how fast the water's pumping out, nor do I know how fast it's running in. Yep. Well, there's. Okay, well, it's running out all right. I think I'm gonna get my little hoe. I'm gonna dig a little pit right there so that none of it runs back underneath the house. I think that's what was happening. The hose is just barely long enough, so I'm gonna go and dig a little pit right there. Okay, so it is working. Let's see how well we do during the night. For now, I'm going to dig a little hole right there so the water will have a downhill slope to run into. Okay. Well, there's my trusty Collins axe. I'll be back.